So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Do you know who my best friend in the whole entire world is other than you? Yeah, Meekah! And today you and I can draw Meekah's headband. Whoa, you know how I wear a hat? She wears a headband. All right, I'm gonna take the color black and draw a bow tie. Yeah, just like this. Oh, I like bow ties, obviously. And then we'll go up here like that. Whoa, and then we'll draw a big circle. And then we'll draw another one. Whoa, doesn't that look like a bow tie that goes around her head? Yeah, and we can draw some lines to give it some texture. Yeah, like it's wrinkles. And then what color is her headband? Yeah, yellow. All right, let's draw some yellow. Woohoo! Coloring, coloring. I'm coloring some yellow. Woohoo! There we go. Wow, I love Meekah's headband. And I love Meekah. What a great friend. And what a great friend to you. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to